Usually most students from other schools, whether it be from elementary or from high school, come to compete at the school, and they fly drones as well as program and do interviews to show their skill in drones. Now, it's actually quite amazing as most of these students are usually elementary schools, and I can't believe it. Like, these kids are so good.
Come back, go right.
It's really exciting. It's a little nervous seeing how crowded it is and about the organization and everything, but I'm just excited.
It might seem difficult, but it's actually really easy once you get the hang of it.
1 minute!
Just about having fun, like doing teamwork with the others and trying to make friends here sometimes.
I've met people from all over the world, like Hawaii, California, Ohio, Idaho, like everywhere. It's just a great place to learn how to meet new people and just have fun.
30 seconds, guide them through the eclipse, guide them through.
It's kind of scary, but when you try it, it's actually very fun, very exciting.
It can be hard sometimes, but if you practice a lot and you try it every now and then, it's pretty good.